Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a bulk box of more toys. You guys love toys, so I'm super excited to unbox this. We will be seeing some of these in our fire sale, so make sure you come on Fridays at noon. All right, so let's see what's inside this box. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, I know it's been a while since I've done something from bulk. You probably thought I forgot them, but I didn't. All right, the specifications on this case is I paid $217, had it shipped for $30, which is their flat rate fee, and then with tax and everything, $254 is what I paid. And so has 98 items in it. It's supposed to be all brand new toys, so that means each toy averages out to be $2.60 a toy. So can I make my money up and make a profit? Let's see. We're going to definitely hope that everything is in brand new condition. So that's my hope in buying a brand new toy box. And I really hope it's not all dollar store stuff. So if you notice, I'm not wearing a trendy top because it's very warm out here. And so it's casual Mondays here at Hooked on Pickin. We're wearing tank tops and shorts. All right, look at that Barbie. Birthday Wishes. I'm going to bring her over here. Birthday Wishes signature Barbie. Very pretty dress. Those big dress Barbies are usually quite a bit. And then we've got wooden role play set, veggies, seeds, flowers. It looks like we have a bunch of those. Got a little shovel and scissors. Oh, look. So this one's for the girls. Ready? And that one's for the boys. So that's fun. So we've got kind of a fire. More of these. So how much are these? These are originally, here's a doctor one. Those were originally $5 at Target. So they're not really high end, but they're super cute. So I'll put them in the fire sale. The fire sale. Ha ha ha. No, I'll probably bundle them because they were $5 a piece. So we'll definitely put them in the fire sale. So those are really cute. What else is in this box? We've got a letter board? Is it supposed to have letters? Oh, it's an alphabet tracing puzzle. So you just use this little wooden doll and it's just supposed to be kind of like a pencil and you learn to trace the capital letters. So for hand-eye coordination. Oh, here's another flowers one. Set that over there. And then what else do we got in here? We have a
Pimple Pete.
That's nasty.
Pop some pimples.
Pop some pimples. Well, they do have that. Oh, I was just about to say. I was like, they got that show on TV called Dr. Popper. Look, it's right there. Brought to you by Dr. Pimple Popper. That's. I mean, I guess it's a needed thing, but make a game out of it. Of course, I've seen games out of crazier stuff. So, alrighty. So that's a fun one. That'd be a fun gag gift game, to give someone. Oh, look at him. Cute little plushie. He's supposed to have something here. I don't know if that's broken. If he's supposed to have a belly button or something. I'll have to look at that. I don't know if it's just an extra string. All right, so there's that. We have some Happy Easter window clings. Then we've got another medicine one. This one is another fire one. Ooh, another Barbie. Look at that. Birthday Wishes Barbie. Happy birthday. Blow out your candles, make a wish. Your special day is here. Birthday Wishes Barbie doll is excited to join your celebration. She may inspire you to chase your dreams and live each day boldly. That's what it says on the back of the box. You're welcome. Do you feel inspired to live each day boldly? Yes. They need a Heather Hooks doll. They do. Yep. Surrounded by boxes. That's what it's going to be. Come with my own bulk boxes. All right. Our Generation Giddy Up game. Oh, Our Generation is the 18-inch doll that's sold from Target. And we've sold a lot of the Our Generation doll clothes, which we have available on Hooked on Pickin. But this is a game. Look. Looks pretty neat.
Cool.
Carrot? Carrot, anyone? Carrot? Stuffed carrots. Stuffed carrots, anyone? Ultimate Slimy Goop. Ultimate Slimy Goop.
Definitely
Yes, look, we've got 1, 2. Look at, they are in great condition. 1, 2, 3. See 2 more. 4, 5. So what's all in these slimy goops? Let me see. 2 large mix-ums, ready-made slimy goops, 3 less mess slimy gloops powders. Anyway, here. This is what's in it. I'm not going to read everything. I'll let you look and just pause the video. You can see what's all in there. All right. So it comes with a bunch of stuff. Alrighty. Then we have clever connectors. Look at those. They're little box connectors. Look at what you can make. Look at that. Anybody want to make a llama? Then we've got some of this. Giffies. You can make your own GIF. Or as my friend Ashley always says, she calls it a GIF just to drive her husband crazy. That is clearly a G. All right. More of these. We got flower doctor. So we got some more of those. Oh. Ooh, this guy's weighted. So he sits on stuff really well. So he's got like beanbag.
It's a freakish pig.
Is it a freakish pig? Sorry, I'm having too much fun. I love toy boxes. All right. Here's a Hatchimals mystery. Aw, it's peeking at you. Some more carrots. What is this? This is a Target monogram letter, it says. H. Just an Easter thing. Okay. Here's another one of these make your own Giphy things. Spin and play art. What is this? This is felt, lacing, and learning shapes.
Flannel graph.
Kinda. Yeah, it's like flannel graph. You were talking about flannel graph at church today. Yeah, last Sunday.
Well,
So
love me some flannel graph.
I remember doing this when I was in kindergarten, where you learn how to stitch and lace with shoelaces and different things. So this one actually has all these different vehicles. So it looks like a different colors, but it's got a green truck, a blue car, yellow cab, red fire truck, purple sports car. So a lot of learning activity type of things, like the trace your letters thing. Here's another fire chief thing, a doctor and a flower one. So we got a lot of these little things. Jiffy's spin art again. We're definitely going to do a second listing video so that we can see how much money we can send into Amazon. Look at these. These are cool. So these are farmers markets, cabbage, tomatoes, fresh produce stand, a tree, a little bunny driving a truck with hay in it. Got some berries.
How much were they at Target?
They were $3 a piece. So we'll probably bundle that with some of the other fun wooden toys. So this one is a little different. It's a racing scene. So it's got snails and frogs and a rabbit. You could do the tortoise and the hare story.
Yeah.
And it's got a little track that they actually race on. That's cool. So it's got a little buildable scene. So we got a bunch of those. I love these little wooden play sets. They're not going to cost very much to ship at all, and they'll go really well in the fire sale. So I'm going to get all these wooden play sets out real fast. Okay, I think that's it. So we'll show you the entirety of the table at the end of the video just so you kind of see everything. And then don't forget to watch the listing video to see how much we make. Star Wars. Who is this guy? Who is he? Snoke? Supreme Leader Snoke. He has had a rough day. I think he's got a headache. Okay. Then we've got Dr. Doom. This doesn't exactly look brand new condition. It's definitely been crushed at the bottom. Yeah, we'll have to... That's from Fantastic Four. Oh, little baby rattle. We've had these before. What else is in here? Oh, this is perfect time of the year for this. Little, looks like a mud sand set. Mail. 1 bag, 3 envelopes, 3 letters. Little felt mail set. And we've got color cups for dyeing Easter eggs. So that's definitely Easter eggs. I wonder if this was stuff that was supposed to go like in Easter baskets. All right, what is this? I thought that was one of those slippies. Oh, it's a sloth.
The journal?
I think so. Yeah. That's so cute. If you love purple and you're feeling slow, there you go. Feeling relaxed. Star Wars, another one of those guys. And what's this? Ooh, remember these? My brother had tons of these. Little parachute army guys. Some more of them. Bunch of these parachute Toy Story 4 army guys. Ooh, look at this cool set. Minnie's RV and Friends road trip. So it's Woody and a bunch of his friends. What else we got in here? Another one of these. A couple more tracing, but these are for numbers. So we got 2 number ones. My arms are too short. Okay. And then what is this? Leprechaun. Includes 1 box, 1 lids.
It's a leprechaun trap.
It's a leprechaun trap. Nice. You gotta catch yourself a leprechaun. These are fun. All right, here's an X-Shot. Little mini Nerf gun. Some more green army guys. Another green army guy. Clever connectors again. These are a little different. And then Elmer's green washable glue and another one of these. They did put it in a baggie so it wouldn't spill on everything. That's awesome. All right, that is it for what is in this bulk box. So we definitely have some cool stuff. We're definitely going to make some bundles and lots that I'm really excited about for the fire sale because you guys love your toys. I definitely want to put this slimy goop on the fire sale because this looks like this will be easy to ship because it's in a nice thinner box. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a second listing video and show you what we're going to send to Amazon, because definitely if we can send it to Amazon, that's the easiest course of action. And then a lot of this other stuff we'll decide fire sale, we'll decide hooked on Pickin, we'll decide will I sell it on Facebook Marketplace, various different platforms that I sell on. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So watch the second listing video, check out all this fun things. I love this cool giddy up game. I think it looks really neat. So if you love horses, I guess you're going to love that. So anyway, so this is what I got in a bulk.com case of 98 separate items. Each item was worth $2.60, and on most tags that's less than what it costs retail in the store. So I think I'm going to be able to make my money back, but as a reseller you never know. So watch that second video. Let's see how I maneuver getting some profits out of this box and where we're going to sell everything. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, if you too would also like to be a reseller, you can go to hookedonpickin.com. I have a bunch of reseller resources there. I also do personal one-on-one consultation calls. All you do is sign up for an amount of time. I shoot you an email, and we set a time that's convenient for you and I. Also, go to Hooked on Pickin for anything that you would like to see me like to buy from my store. And then if you would like a mystery box, I've also got women's mystery clothing boxes, but the fun thing is you get to pick your size. And so everything in the box will fit you. Thanks.